Ever stood in awe of the intricately detailed miniatures or practical household items created by a 3D printer? Or perhaps marveled at the precision and versatility of these machines? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of 3D printing, focusing on a printer that's making waves in the industry, the Creality Ender 3v3KE. Our first stop is the innovative design of this machine. Unlike many of its competitors, the Creality Ender-3 V3KE sports a sleek, compact frame that doesn't compromise on print size. This design allows it to fit comfortably in smaller workspaces while still delivering large, high-quality prints. A true game-changer, wouldn't you agree? Next, let's move on to the ease of assembly. No one wants to spend hours piecing together a printer, right? Well, with the Creality Ender-3 V3KE, you won't have to. It comes partially assembled, allowing you to get up and running in no time. Plus, the assembly instructions are clear and easy to follow, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Now, to the user-friendly interface. This printer's touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for 3D printing novices. It's a breeze to select your design, adjust settings, and start your print. With this printer, you're in control. But what about the printer in action? The Creality Ender-3 V3KE is known for its precision and versatility. Whether you're creating an intricate miniature or a practical household item, this printer delivers exceptional detail and accuracy. And with its wide range of supported materials, the possibilities are virtually endless. Finally, we can't forget about affordability and reliability. The Creality Ender-3 V3KE is priced competitively, making it a viable option for hobbyists and professionals alike. And with its robust construction and reliable performance, it's built to last. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3KE 3D printer offers an innovative design, ease of assembly, and a user-friendly interface. It delivers precision and versatility in printing, and it's both affordable and reliable. Whether you're a 3D printing novice or a seasoned pro, this printer is a worthy contender for your workspace.